Omushomogu gubiri mu rubugongi taboneka mu district ya Shema kandi gutebekanisiibwa ebembezi ba district ya Shema aho abashomesibwe emiringo yo kutungura mentasya kutaramisha kugahanga umushahara konka
kugira ngo wabano yenda kutunga additional source of income oyine bibishe biriye kuba nokwa ejo kurebera mushobesa watunge twara yawo makumyana ukakwata intwaro 10 ukagito mucinoni ari kino bikiya bakatera ananga na matafari ukwana ukwataka sente nota no shanga uzaza mukabiri
ne mukono yawo ukabikoresa ki n'urugo mwidara noza umurindi kwicherizana so let us use our brains and our forings to do some productive work that will change our status quo in society such that we become better people at a later time.
Abarokura by'obwegiso mu district ya Shema bagambira abashomesa nguti no kubarashomesa abandi kurwana soboro baba bataketungwira barukushomesa bakabareberaho
nabwe tukomore ubwo bwito abo kuba abangereza bagira winners must stay connected to their dreams. How together?
Abanyarwanda binefumu yabo mukiye mugira muta umugamba nabwo ni yatangiye kugiye hakara kiye mugira muta learn how to communicate and communication can either be verbal or through expressions.
Professor Ephraim Rwaburembo Kamuntu obirayo umujyanyi mukuru asimira imirimo y'abashomesa ari kugira ngo uburyo mwe cyari nabwo amagezi gabo
Quando moro here niwo inspiring mind za umuntu niwo kwegesa niwo inspiring niwo help what he is niwo has a life skills kandi bakagambira niwe setting a mindset the beginning the foundation the cornerstone of being rich bakagira ngo moro
bakora projects batunguka bahindura antuza yao Mr. Professor Kamutwatu mwine tamukozesize omushinja twanakula president Museveni kwihakanika na hata chumine atubayatsugira ho tuza kutuma yoha
bepana nendenga nzantume n'abahimbize mwaciyeyo kuko nashiye kuriya ndeka abashomesa atakayishobeza
nabwo nyuma bashomesa bashabira abanyishengera bwashema yona okubishiza President Museveni okubahereza iki yabaraga nisomo kuguhire ubwayije murashema gashakwa mayi kwatwakire